Hello and welcome to our live session. I'm Stuart, Product Development Manager for Naim Audio. Today I'm delighted to introduce the Unity Atom Headphone Edition. This is our exciting new streaming headphone amplifier, which has the heart of the award-winning Unity Atom, but optimised for headphones rather than speakers. Now let's take a closer look at the latest member of our Unity family. Built to last here in Salisbury, the Unity Atom Headphone Edition combines beautiful design with stunning performance and class-leading features. Now you don't need to sacrifice sound quality if you don't have the space or lifestyle for a more traditional speaker-based music system. Unlike traditional headphone amplifiers, which often require separate sources such as computers, DACs or streaming devices, Unity Atom Headphone Edition is a complete music streaming system. There is a choice of 3 headphone outputs: balanced 4-pin XLR, Pentacon, and a 6.3mm stereo jack. Enjoy everything Naim's music streaming platform has to offer: incredible choice and superb sound quality. Escape into your digital music collection. Enjoy the music, radio and podcasts you love without life disturbing you or your sounds disturbing others. Play your favourite music from Qobuz, Tidal and Spotify. With AirPlay 2, Chromecast built-in and Room Ready status, there are even more streaming options, all with easy app control. Analog and digital inputs mean you can connect many other sources too, from a USB drive to a turntable. Unity Atom Headphone Edition is also an excellent streaming preamplifier. Simply connect a power amp or active speakers for an instant system. Its flexibility and compact size cuts the clutter from your listening life. Unity Atom Headphone Edition is equally at home in living room, bedroom or office. The Unity Atom Headphone Edition may look familiar, but inside there are several key differences to optimise headphone and preamp performance. Using technology derived from our flagship statement system, our engineers have created an all-new discrete headphone amplifier. This Class AB design is capable of powering even the most premium headphones, such as Focal Utopia, with ease. It also features a completely new transformer design dedicated to providing, in true Naim tradition, the very best power supply to the headphone amplifier. Thanks for watching. Visit your local Naim retailer to discover Unity Atom Headphone Edition and experience the Naim sound for yourself.